What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Jupiter, which has been, well, it hasn't been pumping too much, but it has been gaining a decent amount of value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 28% up, making it just over 0.01768. So where is this crypto heading to? Obviously it's been gaining a decent amount of value over the last couple of days. As you can see, over the week has been very volatile, but overall it has been moving in a positive direction, which is all that matters. So is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Or is it just a good time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at its next potential target over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also the long run, is this a good investment? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website right now, and in the last 24 hours, Jupiter is the top gainer. And as you can see, the market is also down just about 3%. However, Jupiter has managed to gain the top level at gaining in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, we are looking at the chart. Over the last hour itself, managed to gain a massive 10% in value, but over the last 20-30 minutes, as you can see, slowly started to drop in value. Over the last day, 27%, over the week 23%, and over the month a massive 49% up. As you guys can see, overall it has been performing quite well. There's been times where it's literally pumped up, fluctuated, pumped up, drop back down, pumped up, drop back down, and the exact same thing is ongoing right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive nearly 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $16.1 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Jupiter. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So we are going to see more traders, and we've got way more buyers, 87% buy against 13% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual, we've got the purple line here at the top running across the chart, currently valuing Jupiter at 0.01498. However, it is trading at slightly higher value at 0.01781, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart. Yes, we do have some positive news here. The blue line and the orange line are looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. No, they are not looking steep, but they are slanting towards the positive direction, which is much more realistic than a steep line. And of course, it means that over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall increase in value on Jupiter. Again, nothing too crazy. It is going to be minimal, and that's what I'm expecting myself as well. But as usual, dips are always part of the process, so I'm expecting it to drop down in value in between, just like how it's dropping now. As you can see, it's likely to carry on dropping below 0.017 and then picking back up in value, potentially heading towards a 2 cents target towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again, we're looking quite bullish. The blue line and the orange line are looking positive, going in a bullish direction, meaning more increases in value are expected towards the end of this week. So over the next couple of days, we should expect it to slowly and steadily increase in value, but that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles every single day for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's red, when it's down, and days when it's green and it's up. But the overall outcome is what matters right now, and at the moment, it seems to be more on the positive side. So we should be past the 2 cents target towards the end of this week and potentially head upwards and onwards from there on. Now, Moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Now we're not looking as positive as the previous two charts, because yes, the blue line is looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and that's very clear. However, the orange line is not looking bullish, but it's not looking bearish either. So it's literally going in a straight line, flat out, not looking bullish or bearish, meaning again we got two lines not going in opposite direction but in two different directions. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the long run. So let's say late August, early September, we should expect an overall increase in value on Jupiter, but again, it is going to be a minimal increase in value. It's not going to be a major pump or a major increase or anything like that. Do bear in mind that it's very likely it's going to be a minimal increase in value. But yeah, so far so good. We are looking quite positive, but again, dips are always part of the process, guys. You have to bear that in mind. We are always going to see dips. Again, there's a good 7-8 weeks left for, you know, early August, and sorry, not early August, early September. So anything can happen between that time. We can see Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k or pumping up to about 35-40k, and these things will have a major impact, not just on Jupiter or Bitcoin, but the whole crypto market in general. So obviously, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, which is not good news. But the good news is that we are slowly and steadily heading upwards. As you can see, a month ago we were all the way down, and right now we have managed to just about get halfway there. So in another 3-4 months, you never know, guys, we may be in the green zone, and for us to hit that, we're gonna have to hit at least about 3 cents in target, which is another approximately just under 100% increase from where we are at the moment, which is possible over the next couple of weeks and months as well, depending on how the crypto market performs. So towards the end of the year, or before the end of the year, so let's say around November time, I am hoping we should be back into the green zone. But again, it all depends on updates and news that come across, which I told you guys earlier. I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Jupiter, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below, how high do you guys predict Jupiter to hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen both positive and negative comments, such as, you know, it's a pump and dump token, it's a scam, so on and so on. But again, so far it's been performing very well. It's the waiting game. It's all about, you know, seeing how it performs, predicting the price values, and so on and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end the video and before you click off, guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I don't want to keep you guys here for any longer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.